Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VirtualBox 7.1.8 on Parrot Security OS 6.3, but the process is same on all Parrot Security OS versions. First open any web browser, also verify applications if there is any pre-installed VirtualBox is there or not. See, you don't have VirtualBox, so go to VirtualBox official website, that is virtualbox.org. Hit enter, then click on download, then click on Linux distributions. See here in this Linux host we don't have the Parrot OS. Okay, open terminal, more/etc os-release. See, its code name is, see, its ID is like Debian. Okay, so click Ctrl A, so we can install latest version of the Debian package. So click on Debian 12, click on save. See, download started and its size is 112 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, we will install. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Go to terminal again, cd downloads ls. See, here we have the VirtualBox 7.1.8 Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i start VirtualBox. Give the tab to autofill entire VirtualBox Debian package and hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to menu, then search for VirtualBox. See, here we have installed VirtualBox. Okay, now go to home page again, click on download. Now download this VirtualBox extension pack. So read this license agreement and click on accept and download. Select the path and click on save. See, download completed. Click on this extension pack. We will open the VirtualBox. Then click on install. Then read this license agreement and click on I agree. Now it will ask the admin password. Provide the password of root account or sudo user account. Then click on authenticate. See, successfully installed. Let me maximize this one. Click on help about VirtualBox. See, here we have installed VirtualBox 7.1.8. Okay, if you want to create virtual machine, click on new or machine and select new. Both are same. See, now we have to provide the name for the virtual machine folder to store the virtual machine files. We have to select the ISO image and we have to fill all these details. Okay, so go to the terminal again, ls. We have successfully installed VirtualBox 7.1.8. So these files are not required anymore. Remove them. rm, give Oracle, give the tab, rm VirtualBox ls. We have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download and install VirtualBox 7.1.8 on Parrot operating systems. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.